Hello, welcome students to our new topic, that is number system. Become first year student, we have seen the first lecture, introduction of syllabus, and now we are starting our new topic, that is number system. Number system is like a languages in the computer in business application, the languages used in the computer. So firstly we can see the what is number system. So number system is broadly divided into four types: binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Binary number system is represented by using only two digits, that is 0 and 1. So the binary number system, the base of binary number system will be 2. Octal number system is represented by using the digits like 0 to 7 numbers. So the base of the octal number system is 8. Why 8? Because the starting of the digits are starting from the 0. The decimal number system is represented by using digits 0 to 9. The base of the decimal number system is 10. And the hexadecimal number system has the base is 16. There will be use of some digits and some alphabets. The hexadecimal number system has 0 to 9 numbers and alphabets from starting from A to F. The total number of numbers and digits are from 15. So the base of the hexadecimal number system is 16 because the starting of the is from 0. So the hexadecimal numbers are 16. So firstly we can see the what is number system. So number system is the numeral system. It is a naming and representing the numbers. We can see the number system in maths like binary, decimal, etc. In this lesson we can cover the entire concept of numeral system with their types and conversion. So firstly we can see the what is binary number system. The binary number system has a base 2 number system. The binary number system, it is also called as base 2 number system. It means there are only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. The number system that we normally use in maths like 0 to 9 numbers like decimal number system. So binary number system has only two number system. It is also called as base of 2 number system and it will be represented as 0 and 1. So representation of binary number system. There are two types of representation of binary number system. Firstly is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3 up to 2 raised to 7 or 2 raised to the value that you want. So here are the SOP, means sum of the product. 2 raised to 0 will be represented as 1, 2 raised to 1 represented as 2, 2 raised to 2 represented as 4, 2 raised to 3 represented as 1. We can use this formula. Like if you have a problem with 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, you can directly use the formula of the product. Like 2 raised to 3 will be 8, 2 raised to 2 will be 4, 2 raised to 1 will be 2 and 2 raised to 0 will be 1. So we can directly put this product in our formula like 8421. We can use this product in our formula to represent the numbers. So firstly we can see octal number system. The octal number system has 8 digits represented as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like our numbers in maths we can use these numbers. The base of octal number system is 8. Why 8? Because the starting of the number will be starting from 0. Here are some octal numbers 0 to up to 7 and binary equivalent, means the representation of binary of that octal number. In the last we can put a 8421 formula. You can see 0 will be represented as 0, 1 will be represented as 1 and 7 will be represented as 1, 1, 1. Why 1, 1, 1? Because the 7 will be represented as, in formula you can see the 8421, but the number is less than shorter than 8. So you can use 4 plus 2 plus 1. So the representation of 7 will be in binary 1, 1, 1. 6 will be represented as 4 plus 1, means 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2 will be 6. So 1, 1, 0. 5 will be represented as 1, 0, 1. So in this way you can convert all the numbers by using that formula of 8421 in octal. In the same way you can use into hexadecimal number system also. So next will we use the decimal number system. The decimal number system has only 10 digits represented by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The base of decimal number system is 10 represented by these numbers. Therefore, the base of decimal number system will be 10. Here are some examples of decimal conversion. Here first a 45 decimal number will be converted into binary. So binary you have to convert, you can simply divide that number by 2. So 45 will be divided by 2, the remaining will be your answer will be your binary number. And in second question 119, the binary number you have to convert it into octal number. So 119 you have to divide it by 8. The remaining value, the remainder will be your answer. It will be your decimal octal number. The octal number is from 0 to 7. You can check the answer is from 0 to 7. In binary you can see the answer is only in 0 and 1. In hexadecimal you can use 0 to 9 numbers and A to F alphabets. So 190 is divided by 16. So here 190 will be divided by 16. The answer you got 14 will be represented as E and 11 will be as a B. You can see it into the hexadecimal number system. So firstly we can see the hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system has 16 digits which are represented by 0 to 9 numbers and A to F alphabets, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers and alphabets from A, B, C, D up to F. So the total number of digits are 15, but the counting starts from the 0. So the base of the hexadecimal number system will be the 16. Here are the representation of hexadecimal number system. You can see the 3 brackets here. In first column you can see the 0 to 9 numbers and alphabets A to F. And here are the conversion of that hexadecimal number into binary. You can use the formula of 8421. On the binary column we have written a formula of 8421. You can simply put your number into that formula you have given that answer. 0 will be represented as in the formula, there will be no 0. So the binary number will be 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 will be represented as 0, 0, 0. In formula our 1 will be there, so 1 will be put as a 1. 2 will be in the formula, so put 0, 0, 1, 0. 2 will be represented as 0, 0, 1, 0. 3. In that formula there will be no 3, but we have to show the 3 by using the addition of formula. So 8421, 2 plus 1 will be 3. So 0, 0, 1, 1 representation of 3. In formula 8421, 4 will be there, so you can represent it by 0, 1, 0, 0. If there will be no that number, you have to make a addition of that number, you can get the binary number of that number. So here it is the basically representation of binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and decimal and hexadecimal number system. It is a basic representation of binary number system. So all of you know which language computer knows, that is binary language in the format of 0 and 1. The base of binary number system is 2 and octal number system is from 0 to 7. The base of the octal number system is 8. Decimal number system is starting from 0 to 9. So the base of decimal number system is 10 and hexadecimal number system is 0 to 9 numbers and A to F alphabets. The total number of digits are 16. So the base of the hexadecimal number system is 16. Okay, hopefully all of you know the number system properly. In next lecture we can take some examples on number system, representation, conversion in our new lecture. Okay, thank you.